In 2025, have you been thinking about starting your own business? I mean, your side hustle from the comfort of your home. Maybe you wanted to start last year, but you procrastinated. It's okay. I got you. Today, we are starting an part number one of how you can set up your business from scratch, from basic. Even if you have never had a business before, you don't even know what kind of business idea you can pick. I am here for you today. So make sure you stay tuned and watch this video to the end because we're about to be minding our own business. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's go.
Cover me. Cover me cute now. I got the juice now. The radiance, the modesty, it's everything. Honestly, all the things that point to a woman of quality, the true essence of my beauty. That's why they follow me. They want to get a look like this. Yeah, probably. Cover me cute.
Hello everyone, my name is Idaya. I'm the owner and the creative designer behind Cover Me Cute. At Cover Me Cute, we create head-to-toe modest fashion to keep you covered and still maintain a level of cuteness. Our bottom line is to help you bring out the best in you, especially when it comes to self confidence, because everybody deserves to be confident. Today, I'm wearing a full fit Cover Me Cute, even with our shades that are on the website. This is the major reason why I'm wearing it, and I'm about to take it off so we can get to real business. Today, we are talking about how to start a side hustle, which we're going to be calling a business, because a side hustle is also a business. We're gonna have 8 episodes, and I'm going to be breaking it down because I really want to get down to the nitty gritty and make it as basic as possible. That's why we're going to be having 8 episodes. Today's episode is picking your business idea, which is vital, right? So first and foremost, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, why haven't you subscribed? If you have a business idea, if you already have a business and it crashed, and you're about to start another business, or you've never had a business before in your life, maybe you're 16, you're 17, you're thinking about, okay, I'm about to go to college. What can be making me money while I'm reading, while I'm learning in college, so that I don't have to go and work for somebody else? This video is for you. So while you watch it as a business owner, because you can still learn things, even if your business is already successful, because what happens is when you have a successful business, you also start another business now. Because when you're a business owner, you're a business owner. If you're a person like me that is a serial entrepreneur, I've been helping my mom sell clothes since I was in my teens. So business is nothing new to me. But however, I learn every day because I remain a student of knowledge. And I'm about to give you the knowledge that I have. So let's go, let's go, let's go. So today we're talking about picking the right business idea. For those that are stuck on, I don't know what business to pick, there are a lot of business ideas. I'm about to break it down for you now. Pick something that you have passion for, that even if you don't get paid, you still love to do it. I have passion for fashion. Even if I don't get paid, I'm still going to look good. I'm still going to dress cute. I'm still going to make clothes for myself. I'm still going to make clothes for my family members and my friends because this is what I love to do. So now today, for the purpose of this series and this video today, our example is going to be a t-shirt business. And I'm going to tell you why, because I want to make it as basic as possible, right? So I'm picking a business idea because I love fashion, and part of fashion is t-shirt. And if you live in the West, or even if you live in Nigeria, you know a t-shirt is always a basic statement in our closet, be it a high-end t-shirt or just a regular t-shirt that you wear with a skirt or your pants every single day. However, this t-shirt is not going to be just any kind, anyhow t-shirt. I'm going to show you, tell you, teach you how to sell anything from the comfort of your home. So there are major things we are going to be focusing on for the purpose of this video and time, because I don't want this video to be more than 10 minutes. And these 3 things are importance of choosing the right niche. If you take notes, every generation wears t-shirts. It doesn't matter if that person is 105. It doesn't matter if it's a newborn baby. We all have t-shirts for different sizes. So I have to pick a niche. I can't just create t-shirts for everyone. Researching the market and identifying the trends. It is very important to do your market research. We'll talk about more about that in a minute, and how to validate your ideas. So number one, choosing the right niche. I told you, for example, I'm taking a t-shirt line. But what kind of t-shirt line? Because just because it's a t-shirt doesn't mean I'm just going to put it out there like, hey, buy my t-shirt, a plain old t-shirt. No, I'm going to create a story out of that t-shirt, which is going to be my brand story that's going to help me sell. Who is going to be my niche? I'm taking, for examples for me. When people are teaching me stuff, I like people to give me examples and not just say stuff. I'm going to take people, I'm going to take mental health awareness. That will be my niche. So people that are mentally aware, people that want to be mentally aware, people that are mentally unstable, people that have people around them that are mentally unstable. We're going to be creating words of affirmation, words of encouragement, reminders, so it can help them with their mental state. So that is part of my niche. What is going to be my age range? I want to target women from 18 to 35. Because I'm targeting women from 18 to 35, I'm going to be having specific, are they going to be, is it going to be a unisex t-shirt or is it going to be female only? I choose for it to be a unisex t-shirt. So in that unisex, we can also make separate designs for male and separate designs for females, right? We're going to use various colors. We're going to use various patterns, right? But before I go into that, what am I going to do first is go to Google or ChatGPT and say, hey, what do people that have, how bad is mental health eating the society right now? And mental health being the center core problem, I'm creating a t-shirt line that is going to help people, that is going to help people heal in some kind of way from their mental health. Because when they wear this t-shirt, when they see it hanging on their closet, when other people see it be in front or behind them, it helps them feel better. It reminds them of their awesomeness. How can I go about this? Right? So I do my research. I find words that are affirmative. I start taking them down. I do my brain dump. I dump everything that I want to put in. I'm thinking of words that you are awesome. You got this. You can do this today. Nothing can bring you down. Try again today. So every day you wear the shirt, you're trying again today. Take a deep breath. Allah has got your back. Like stuff like that is what I'm going to be writing on my t-shirts. And of course, we're going to get to the stage of actually creating the t-shirts. So I'm assuming what I'm also going to do is people around me. Let me tell you something. Every human in one way or the other has a kind of mental state that they don't want to be in. Be it anxiety, be it fear, be it procrastination, be it being timid, be it feeling less of, inferior. Everybody has a mental struggle on a daily basis. So honestly, you can ask, literally create a survey, right? Part of your research to create a survey, send it to your family and friends, and ask them, what are the words that uplift you? Are you aware of your mental health? How many times do you go for a mental health checkup? What do you think we can do differently to help you on a daily basis heal from your mental health? If I was to create a t-shirt line, what are the words of affirmation, the words of encouragement, the reminders that you want to see on these t-shirts? Create a Google form. Is Google Sheet is very easy. Send it to your family and your friends' elder sisters and younger brothers, at least 30 people or 20 minimum. Your classmates, just let people respond to this survey so you're not just assuming. And then you can also put that in that survey. What colors of t-shirts do you like most? White, green, pink. You can put like 3 or 4 things. They can select all, or they can pick 1 or 2. Another question another question you can ask is, what is your t-shirt size? So you kind of like start thinking about your age range and what sizes you are going to either have in stock or not have in stock, because you can start a t-shirt business with $0. And I'm going to tell you more about that in our next episodes, right? So you are going to do your research. We have a problem. This problem is mental health. The solution is our affirmation, reminder, encouragement t-shirts that we are about to produce. Right now, we're at the stage of doing our research. We're going to give ourselves at least 48, if not 4 days, to do our research and compile every data together so we can move to the next stage, which is picking the name for your business, registering it, and all other legal things that you have to do from scratch for your business. But we're not going to go into that today because I told you this video can only be maximum of 10 minutes. And of course, we've run through the 10 minutes. But if you think you're going to need more help starting your business, I do have a mentorship program that I hold your hand one-on-one. So I can help you from scratch. People come to me. I've helped over 25 businesses, and women come to me at their idea stage and I help them build it to a full-blown business. But if you have any questions and you haven't joined this community yet, like in this community, all we do is mind our business, right? We make money. We want to make more money. We want to start making more money. We want to improve in our career. We want to get business funding. We want to build our spirituality. This is the network, the community for you. So don't forget to subscribe. And I can't wait to see you in part 2.
I got the juice now. The
Let's go.
radiance, the modesty, it's everything. Honestly, all the things that point